Me know them see me different sometimes, but nobody see the war in my head when the room get quiet. So before you judge me, just hear me out. Daddy, I try him best. Even when him fail, smile in a public, cry in a him trail. Bills on him shoulder, pressure on him chest. Still wake up early, nah get no rest. Me know me no perfect, me know me flawed. Sometimes I pray and I feel ignored, but every morning me still stand tall. Even when me feel like me gone far. Life get heavy on my brain sometimes. I no see the tears behind me eyes, but me still there, still hold ground, still try to turn it all around. Daddy, I try my best every day, even when the world push me away. Me know me no perfect, me know me scared, but me still love her. Daddy, I try in my best. Don't forget, even when me feel, even when upset, mental battles me fight inside, but me still provide. Me know me miss some moments in the past time. Move fast and me coulda grasp. Wish me coulda do things different then. Go back and be a better man, but life no come with no rewind button. Only lessons and the pain we fronting. Some learning how to heal and grow, even when me moving slow. Sometimes my mind no feel so kind. Them thoughts them heavy in my mind, but me still here, me still survive, still fighting just to stay alive. Daddy, I try my best every day, even when the world push me away. Me no perfect, me know me scared, but me still love her. Daddy, I try in my best. Don't forget, even when me feel, even when upset, mental battles me fight inside, but me still provide. Forgive me if me wasn't enough. Life get rough, real rough, but me heart never turn cold or blind. Me just trapped in me own mind. If you hear me, understand. Me still, I'm on, still, I'm on. Charging, me charging, me woman, me still trying. Daddy, I try my best every day, even when the world push me away. Me know me no perfect, me know me scared, but me still love her. Daddy, I try my best. Don't forget, battles me fight inside, but me still provide. Me no run from the truth, me just learning how to live with it. Daddy, I try, and that is still love.
Hear this. Me did sit down in a silence one night. No phone, no noise, just me thoughts on the bass of life beating slow. And me realize something simple. Nobody tell you but life no really get better. You just start hear it different. Same pain, same struggle, but different here. So me stop fight the wave and me start ride it. No, life's sweet no matter what you do. So me just live low, Wake up, sun not for me face again. Same street, same fight, different way me brain. Used to complain about things me couldn't change. Now me see blessings hiding a pain. Them want me stuck in a stress and doubt, but me find joy when me step out. Even when pocket no heavy or full, me still feel rich from the things me pull. Can't lie, no man can tell me how to feel. No fake energy can break me shield. Me don't decide fi choose my peace. Now everything start increase, yeah. Life sweet no matter what you do. So me just live loud breakthrough. Baseline shake the whole avenue. Energy pull me through. Life sweet me no slow down now. Every heartbeat bust it out loud now. From the block to the sky so blue. Me just live loud, me just live true. People change when the light turn bright. Same ones never there in the night. But me not dwell upon who gone wrong. Me just turn pain into a song. Now my circle small but solid and real. Only truth around what me feel. Every loss was a hidden guide. Show me strength I used to hide. No stress can mash my vibe. Me to a life to just survive. Every breath feel like a win. Me start again from within. Life sweet no matter what you do. So me just live loud, break through. Baseline shake the whole avenue. Giant they pull me through. Life sweet me now, slow down now. Every heartbeat bust it all loud down. From the block to the sky so blue. Me just live loud, me just live true. If you're lost, don't hide from the sun. Let the rhythm pull your back around. Life not perfect, but it still shine. Even when the road is high. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Drop heavy. Drop heavy. Yeah. Life sweet no matter what you do. Live low, live low. So we just live low, break through. Live low, live low. Life sweet no matter what you do. Live low. Shake the whole avenue. Yeah. Life sweet no matter what you do. So me just live loud, break through. Baseline shake the whole avenue. Giant energy pull me through. Life sweet me now, slow down now. Every heartbeat bust it all low, low. From the block to the sky so blue. Me just live loud, me just live true. No matter the struggle, no matter the pain, life still sweet when you choose to live it loud. Yeah. Just live loud. Yeah. Jack. Me have to tell you the truth. There were days me stop looking to the sky. Not because me stopped believing, but because me was tired of waiting. Every prayer felt like it hit a wall. Every door me touched stayed locked. Every blessing looked like it had somebody else's name on it. Yet somehow, when me thought you forgot me, you was building a road where me couldn't see one. So tonight, this song now start with pain. This song start with proof. Wait for this moment, every day and night. Searching for a spark when me couldn't find a light. Storm cloud above me raining on my soul. Still me kept walking though me never knew the goal. People said give up, reality is hard. But I see it on my spirit kept telling me charge. Every loss, every scar, every sleepless year was a chapter in a story that me finally hear. No me see what me couldn't see then. Jack was working through the way and the way. And every setback was a setup for rise. Now me look at the mountain through different eyes. Prayed for this moment, thought Jah let me down. No me stand tall, no fear around. From the dirt to the sun, from the earth to the crown. Everything me lost came back around. Prayed for this moment, through the tears and doubt. Thought all the answers I'd run out, but you were writing every line somehow. And me understand the reason now. Used to count blessing that never arrived, watching everybody else seem to thrive. Question after question on me head, wondering if my dream was already dead. But roots grow deepest when nobody can see. Pressure make diamonds, now I finally believe. The road wasn't blocking me from my destiny. The road was preparing me for who me had to be. Now me see what I couldn't see then. Jack was working through the way and the way. And every setback was a set up for rise. Now me look at the mountain through different eyes. Prayed for this moment, thought Jah let me down. Now me stand tall, no fear around. From the dirt to the sun, from the earth to the crown. Everything me lost came back around. Prayed for this moment, through the tears and doubt. Thought all the answers I'd run out,
every line somehow, and me understand the reason now. If you feel forgotten, if you feel unseen, if you're carrying a burden heavy as a dream, hold firm, hold steady, don't let hope depart. Sometimes you answer prayers by rebuilding the heart. Prayed for this moment, thought you let me down. Now me stand tall, no fear around. Oh, from the dirt to the sun, from the earth to the crown, everything lost came back around. Prayed for this moment, through the tears and doubt. Thought all the answers had run out, but I was writing every line somehow, and me understand the reason now. Jah never leave, even when me couldn't hear. No, Jah never leave, even when me couldn't see. The blessing wasn't late, it arrived right on time. Pray for this moment, and now me live it.